LittleShifu! Did you know plants can actually make their own food using sunlight? Pretty amazing, right? But wait, how do plants cook their food without a kitchen, stove, or even fire? This incredible natural process is called photosynthesis, and it happens all around us every single day.
Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food and energy.
This process is not just important for plants, it's also important for humans, animals, and almost all life on Earth. To make food, plants need three main things: sunlight from the sun, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air. Quick question, which one do you think is the most important ingredient? Comment your answer below. First, the roots absorb water from the soil and send it up to the leaves through tiny tubes. Next, the leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny openings called stomata. Then, sunlight shines onto the leaves and provides the energy needed for the process to begin. Inside the leaves, there is a green substance called chlorophyll. It captures sunlight and helps turn the ingredients into food. Using this energy, the plant combines water and carbon dioxide to make glucose, which is its food. At the same time, oxygen is produced and released into the air, which is what we breathe. So every breath you take is connected to plants. They help keep the air fresh and full of oxygen. The food made by plants is stored as energy, which helps them grow, produce fruits, and stay healthy. Fun fact, plants are the base of almost every food chain, which means all living things depend on them. Without photosynthesis, there would be no oxygen, no food, and no life on Earth as we know it. Did you enjoy learning this? Comment a leaf if you love plants and want more fun science videos. For more simple and fun learning, don't forget to subscribe to LittleShifu.